All right, it's time to roll up your sleeves because we're about to put you to work.
That's right. David Caruso, the owner of Dalmoros Fresh Pasta to Go, is here with us, and you're going to show us how you can make your pasta from scratch.
That's right. We have a pasta extruder here today. We'll be making some pasta, and I'll show you guys some various sauces that we put together with it.
Yeah.
All right, well, you're a BU alum, MIT alum, so you're no stranger to the area. Why bring Dalmoros here to Boston?
So we first discovered Dalmoros in Venice, Italy years ago. Me and my father were there on a trip, and we met the creator, Gabriele Dalmoro, and we thought this would be perfect to bring to the United States. So fast forward, we brought it to the U.S., and being a former student here in Boston, I know when anyone came to visit me in Boston, we had to go to Faneuil Hall.
That's true.
And it was always a dream of mine to be able to put a Dalmoros in it. So, you know, today we thankfully have a location. We just opened in October.
Yep.
So if you're looking for some fresh pasta and homemade sauces straight from Italy, you come see us at Faneuil Hall for it.
I love that. And you also know that Bostonians are on the go always. So you've made this super easy where you can pick up a bag, but you can also get something to go, build your own. Walk us through what you brought on the table here.
Yeah, so we have a couple different options here. I brought some paninos, which are our Italian sandwiches. But then I also have a couple of pastas for us. So we make all of our pasta fresh. Right here we have our Napolitana sauce. That's going to be a classic red tomato sauce with polpettes, which is the Italian word for meatball. We also have some Parmesan cheese on it.
Can't go wrong with that.
Right here we have our caprese, which is very tasty. It's with stracciatella mozzarella.
I'm going in for this one.
So if you know what burrata is, the inside of the burrata shell is stracciatella mozzarella. Really what that is going to be mozzarella that's whipped with cream and salt. Ooh. And then we have some diced tomatoes, some liquid basil, some real basil, some diced, and then we have some pasta with it as well. Very tasty.
I'm in.
Is that pesto?
We got pesto as
my
well.
heart. What's in it?
So pesto. Pesto is going to be a classic sauce. It's really just going to be basil that's going to be mixed together with some pine nuts, Parmesan cheese. It's very tasty.
I love the parm with the pesto.
Yes.
There's nothing better than that combo. All right, now this one. This looks like the breadsticks. You had me here, David.
Yeah, everyone loves a breadstick with their pasta. Right here we have our fusilli noodle with a Mama Rosa. That's our take on a vodka sauce. In Italy, everyone has a Mama Rosa. It's really what, you know, kind of the grandmother makes. But yeah, our Mama Rosa is going to be a red and white mix, so you get the acidity and tanginess of a tomato sauce, but you get the creaminess of a cheese sauce. And you can mix and match different things with it as well.
I can't believe I have to go to work after this, Hannah, because I don't want to take a nap.
Well, you know what? I'm going to put you to work right now.
Oh, yeah, we're going to make some
You're going to show me how to make this pasta with David.
So what is the key?
So the key is we don't use egg with our noodle.
Well, first of all, what is this beautiful machine? So
this is a pasta extruder. Really what it does is it mixes the ingredients. What we use is semolina flour. As you can see right here, it has more of a yellow hue to it. It's not going to be like the white bleach flour that you find at the grocery store.
Interesting, okay.
That's processed. It takes your body a lot of time to break it down when you eat the white bleach flour. So semolina flour is the flour that they use in Italy. So if you go to Europe and you eat pasta and you're like, why do I not feel so lethargic?
Because
of semolina.
She won't need to take her nap after.
Correct. So no excuses.
Thank you.
And no egg, you said?
No egg, So all of our pasta is vegan friendly, but the quality of the semolina is just so good that you don't need the egg for it. So we just have flour and water. So right now we already have this mixed together. And then this machine is the pasta extruder. As I said, it mixes it all together, and then it pushes it out. We push these two buttons right here. You're going to see the shape coming out.
I can pick my size.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think it's a good size, right?
Yeah,
Go for it. Oh.
So that's the rigatoni noodle. Based on the die is going to make the shape. So it pushes it out, and as you guys can see right here.
You can see the finished ones here, guys.
Oh, don't you?
I know. I'm showing them what it looks like.
Look at me. I'm like,
all right, that's enough pasta. That's enough.
I'm a backseat cook here.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
No, you're almost there.
I know. Tell us something exciting. You guys have a third location that you're opening. Where can people expect to see that?
Right. So we will be opening in South Station later this summer, probably early fall. So if people are on the go, as you said, they'll be able to grab some food. They can buy bagged pasta. So if you have your own family recipe, super secret special sauce, you don't want to tell anyone about it, but you need some fresh pasta for it.
There you go.
You come pick it up from us.
And they have tiramisu as well.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. We'll see you back here tomorrow for another Hub Today.